Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Flex containers in Beae Page Builder. By the end of this video, you'll be a master at Flex container, confidently crafting any layout you can imagine. We're going to build this beautiful section together, step by step. Ready? Let's jump in. First, create a new Beae page. We'll start from scratch. I'll delete the default grid container. We're going Flex all the way. Hit Add Section and focus on the Flex container options. Beae gives you 12 starter layouts to get you going quickly. Since our design has 2 columns, let's choose the 2-column layout. Now, take a look at the navigation. You'll see the structure of your Flex container. Over here in the right panel, you'll find all the controls for layout and styling. Before we dive into building our section, let's do a quick Flex container crash course. For the demo purposes, I've created a container with 2 groups inside. Inside the first group is a text element, and inside the second group is the image. These first few options control the container size. Width defaults to the global setting, but full width stretches your content edge to edge. You can also input a custom width value. For the height, you can choose the Fill option, which makes the container take up the full height of its parent, and Fit, which adjusts the height to fit the content inside. Of course, you can always use a custom height too. Gap controls the spacing between the elements inside your Flex container. Super useful. You can also adjust the gap by dragging the purple area between the 2 columns directly in the Flex container. Direction lets you choose the flow, row reverse, or column reverse. Then we have vertical and horizontal alignment, which position the elements within the container. Finally, wrap is your friend if you want items to break onto a new line when they run out of space. Alright, enough theory, let's build our section. We'll populate our section with content. In the left column, I'll add 2 text elements and a button. I'll also add some spacing to them. Then add an image for the right column. Notice how the elements stretch to the top and bottom? Not quite what we want. Let's add some padding to our section. Just select the Flex container and drag these handy green rings, 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom. Easy peasy, time for some styling. Let's add a background to our section. Head over to the Design tab in the right panel. Under Background, choose a color or enter your own. Now, let's quickly style the individual elements. I'll adjust the text, bump up the headline font size, and style the button. For the image, I'll add a mask to give it a bit of flair. And there we have it. Our section is complete. Remember, you can always tweak these options to get the exact look you're after. Experiment and have fun with it. Now, you may wonder about responsiveness. Let's switch to mobile mode and you'll see that the Flex container is automatically responsive, so most of the time, your layout will look great without any adjustments. But if it doesn't, simply adjust the layout as I'm demonstrating here. You've just learned about Flex container in Beae Page Builder in just 5 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Beae tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.